Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Grok to your mobile phone, either you're using Android or iPhone. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to go over to your Apple Store or your Play Store. And before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So go over to the search area and searching Grok, and this is it over here. So go over to it and click it, and here is Grok stash AI assistant. You have to go over to get for you to install it straight to your phone. So let me double click it to install, and Face ID is done and is downloading to your phone. So this an AI is used to generate, is used for generating image, video, create and edit an image, chat and more educating things. You can do a lot of things on Grok. AI is one of the most 5 AI app currently. So it's done downloading. So let me go over to open it, and they say enable notification for Grok and get notified when you complete your request. Let me go over to allow, and Grok would like to send you a notification. Let me go over to allow too, and it's just simple for you to just download it to your phone and install it, any of them. You can go over to create an account on it, and I'm going to do a video about that too. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.